welcome back to another YouTube video. It has finally started getting cold outside and it is finally time for the bust down hair tutorials. We got another collab with Curlsqueen, and this time they sent me over 2 bundles of clip-ins, and this is their light yaki texture. My first impressions was, oh my gosh, this hair is so thick, but per usual I'm gonna have to dye this hair because my hair is jet black. So we just want to make sure that the bundles are matching my hair as close as possible. If you guys want to know the exact dye that I use in my natural hair, I will put a card up here. But as far as matching it to my bundles, I just picked up a jet black and a midnight black, and this is going to give us that super deep dark midnight black. All the products used in this video will be linked down in the description box down below. So y'all, I was not expecting these bundles to be as thick as they are because it ended up taking me 8 boxes of dye to dye both bundles. But it definitely got the hair super dark. So I've been doing a milk bath, and that's basically me just taking this bucket I got from Amazon. You guys are always asking me about this bucket. I will make sure I link it in my Amazon storefront, and I'll link my Amazon store down below. But I just take that same conditioner that comes with the dyes and I put that in steaming hot water. Mix that conditioner in that water, and I'm just going to plop every single bundle into that milk bath, and it's going to change the entire texture of the hair. It's going to make it like a deep conditioner, and it just makes the hair so silky. So moving to my natural hair, I'm going to be washing it on camera for you guys. I just went ahead off camera and just wet my hair and rinsed out any product that I had in previously. And I'm going to go in with this My L moisturizing shampoo. But first, I just wet my hair with this rice water from As I Am. I'm actually going to be switching over from using rice water products to using rosemary products. I am having a PCOS flare up, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically when my hormones get all jumbled up and my PCOS symptoms start shining through. Right now, my hair is going through an episode, and it's not that my hair is falling out, but I am completely showing PCOS scalp. To sum it up, that is basically its own form of alopecia, and it's looking like my hair is a lot thinner than it really is. After I rinse that out, I'm gonna move on to using some products. Not only am I using products with rosemary in them now, but I'm also using products with babusa oil in it as well. Rosemary and babusa oil combined is what's going to hopefully start to strengthen my hair and make my hair appear a lot thicker. I have done my research, and I have found that these 2 ingredients really going to help with more hormonal hair loss. So every single product you guys see me use in this video is definitely more targeted to fine, thin PCOS symptoms, alopecia symptoms, hair loss. I'm also going to make sure I am cutting the ends of my hair. Just cutting any split ends I might have is just going to further help my hair grow. I'm just pretty much going to go section by section and just cut off any dead ends I might have. And when I say my ends in some areas were so bad, I probably had like about an inch worth of split ends. It just makes me feel like I should have cut my hair a long time ago, but I'm glad I waited till now because it's a lot longer and I'm able to really see more clearly areas that I have split ends rather than it being super short and I can't really see. So I want y'all to mark this video as the starter point for my new hair growth journey using babusa oil and rosemary, and let's see how much my hair can really grow and how thick it can really get. So now the fun part, that is going to be me installing the clip-ins. Curlsqueen sent me over 2 bundles of clip-ins, and I'm using their light yaki texture, and when I say this texture matches my hair so perfectly, I am so hyped and I was so freaking excited. The bundles are 22 inches, and I was thinking about layering the hair, but I kind of did not want to, and I will show you guys later on how I blend my short hair in with 22-inch bundles. So I just went ahead and sectioned off my edges, and I also sectioned off the middle part, and I'm gonna take some hairspray and have that be my molder today to just slick my hair back into a ponytail. I'm also going to put some of that hairspray into the actual ponytail and just braid that down, seal that off with a rubber band, and then just curl it up and bobby pin that up to like a little bun. Now that we have our base done, we are going to install the clip-ins, and I wanted to show you guys a comparison from their classic clip-ins compared to their seamless. So these are the classics. They are super thin at the top. It looks as if it's like a regular bundle compared to the seamless clip-ins I used in my last video. The seamless are a lot thicker. The classics are a lot thinner. So I definitely recommend you guys to get the classic bundles if you have fine thin hair like myself. Because we are doing a braidless method, when I slick back my hair in a ponytail, it creates a super good base for installing the clip-ins, because the clip-ins just clip right into my hair. I am placing them horizontally and my hair is slicked back vertically. I just installed the smaller pieces in the back, the longer pieces in the middle, and then the smaller pieces at the top. Using this braidless method just creates a more protective style to my hair. I also am growing my natural nails out. These are my real nails. So the longer my nails get, the harder it is for me to braid my hair. I'm also able to get all 2 bundles of hair into my little pea head. I am a 21 to 21.5 inch circumference for anyone wondering, and I was able to fit all 2 bundles in my hair. So y'all, I was so amazed by how flat these clip-ins look on my hair. It really looks like I did a quick weave. They're actual clip-ins. So I had a few small pieces of clip-ins left from me installing, and I'm going to be using those later on. I do get a chance to get that first day wear using just my natural hair. Yes, I am producing a PCOS scalp, but I was able to finesse it a little bit because my hair did have that day one wash. So it gave a more thicker appearance at the roots when I just combed down my natural hair, and my natural hair just blended in so good with the clip-ins. But the flat iron is so low on heat, it's like 250 degrees. It's nothing crazy. So that might be why my hair still is looking a little bit frizzy, but I just went ahead and combed that down and it blended in so good. You couldn't even see the difference from my natural hair to the clip-ins. So I did end up flat ironing the hair off camera because it took me a while to flat iron this hair. It is double drawn hair, so that means the ends of the clip-ins are super full from root to end, and it's going to give you that body fullness that you really want with straight hair. So this is about day 3, and I will show you guys exactly what I'm talking about as far as blending in my natural hair. But first I had to show y'all the body in this hair after you flat iron it, and I also just trimmed the ends of the clip-ins to make them nice and blunt. When I say that dye really made this hair pop, the jet black is blackened, okay, on my natural hair. It is spot on with my natural hair color. It is so silky, it is so shiny, it matches my hair to the T. So this is the thermal protection I like to use in my natural hair as well as my weaves. It makes the hair super silky. It also protects it from heat, and I love the finished look of this serum in general. So first I'm just going to flat iron my hair again, and like I said, the heat on this flat iron is so low. This is a EAP heat flat iron. I've been using this for years, ever since I went on a brand trip with them back in like 2019 or so. This is my favorite flat iron. I have never put it down since, but I'm just going to take those small pieces of clip-ins that I had saved from a few days ago, and I'm just going to take those and just section off my hair and just flat iron my hair to cover those tracks. So this is exactly what I was talking about as far as my PCOS scalp is poking through. My hair was not able to cover the tracks, not one bit. The concealage was just not hitting at all. I was finding that in the front, I did have to put another piece of track in. So I just put another track in the front just to make that a little bit more full. And this is where you want to really utilize those extra clips that come in the pack, because you can save small pieces of hair for reasons like this and just sew those clips onto the track. Now I'm first going to blend in my natural hair with the tracks, and the way I do that is by taking that hairspray we've been using this entire video and just spraying the ends of my hair and brushing those down with a brush, and this just creates a more blendy effect with my natural hair so that I don't have to keep using the flat iron to flat iron my hair to blend it. I can just push it in with some hairspray and a brush. Now we still have the problem of my natural hair not covering up the tracks, so don't worry, this is the easiest trick ever. Y'all know how men be using their little black powder to cover up their hairlines? Girl, you better take some black eyeshadow and put that joint in the parting and create a more camouflage black effect. This just literally camouflaged my hair, and you cannot see it at all. Even if you are up close to me, girl, you cannot see anything. It camouflages so well. So yes to multi-purpose makeup, period. I just blended in my edges with this even lace spray. I use this on my wigs, but also on my natural hair because the ingredients in this is not super crazy and it's not too harsh, and I'm able to use it on my wigs as well as my natural edges. So I'm just showing y'all the natural sheen that I got going on with this hair. It is so silky. It is 3C4A texture to the T. It's so full from root to end, and I highly Laurasia Andrea approved. You cannot tell me nothing with these clip-ins. This is my natural hair. This is my real hair. You can't say nothing to me about it, okay? I'm also gonna be doing one more hairstyle later on with a claw clip, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video. But as always, thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sponsoring another video. Please let me know in the comment section how you guys felt I did. Also, I do have a coupon code with Curlsqueen, so I will make sure I put that in the description box down below. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and bye guys.